Drivers increasingly rely on cruise control as a regular convenience. However, when it malfunctions, it's frequently difficult to determine what caused it, how much repairs will cost, and whether it's even safe to use in the first place. Watch the video to find out the most frequent reasons why a cruise control doesn't work and how much fixes for these kinds of issues often cost. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. How safe is cruise control? Utilizing cruise control is intrinsically safe, particularly when combined with more recent models that electronically activate these features. Older cable-driven cruise controls, though uncommon, occasionally bind and cause a car to accelerate when engaged. Fortunately, deactivating the cruise control or applying the brake pedal would typically stop this unintentional acceleration. When cruise control is abused by its operator, it becomes a real threat. It is recommended to exercise some discretion when deciding where and when to use cruise control. Never use such functions on winding roads that restrict a driver's field of vision or in circumstances where a sudden change in speed may be required. Additionally, when you're feeling sleepy, you shouldn't use cruise control. Even though many drivers regularly use their cruise control to save gas, using such automatic features lowers the amount of driver input needed for travel and can impair concentration in already fatigued drivers. When it's safe to do so, you should pull off the road in these situations, and you should only resume driving after you're completely awake. Reasons: cruise control isn't working. There are several underlying problems that can cause a car's cruise control to malfunction, some of which may be more troublesome than others. When trying to speed up the process of getting your car back on the road, it can be useful to be aware of these possible problems. Some of the most frequent reasons why cruise control systems malfunction are listed below. Blown fuse. Almost all cruise control systems are connected via an inline fuse or other circuit protection device. All power to this circuit would be cut off if this fuse blew. This blown fuse must be replaced in order to restore power. To identify any circuit-related problems, additional examination will be necessary if the cruise control fuse in your car blows more than once. Malfunctioning brake switch. When a car's brake pedal is depressed, cruise control systems are set up to disengage. This brake pedal application is detected by a vehicle's computer controls via an electrical signal transmitted by a specialized brake switch. This switch is usually installed along the firewall at the back of a car's brake pedal linkage. In many situations, if this brake switch fails, cruise control will stop working completely. Speed sensor faults. In an effort to control cruise control operation, a car's management software uses input from a specialized speed sensor to calculate the vehicle's speed. Most frequently, this speed sensor is located along the transmission housing's tailshaft segment. Any issue with this sensor may result in cruise control failure, necessitating the speed sensor's replacement. Faulty cruise control switch. A driver must manipulate a designated cruise control switch to activate any cruise control system. The contact on a car's cruise control switch, however, may eventually wear out or burn out and stop working as it should. When such problems arise, the cruise control switch on the impacted vehicle will need to be replaced. Actuator or cable failure. The majority of older cars had vacuum-actuated cable-driven linkage for their cruise control systems. The system's actuator used engine vacuum to manipulate a specialized throttle cable, which in turn controlled the position of the engine's throttle plate. For cars of this design, cruise control interoperability could be affected by a throttle cable break, a vacuum actuator failure, or a loss of system vacuum. Cost to fix. Depending on the cause of the underlying condition and the make and model of the car having problems, the precise cost of cruise control repair varies. Repairing relatively minor problems such as those involving a car's brake switch or cruise control usually costs between $150 and $400, including labor and parts. However, more serious malfunctions that frequently affect a car's electronic hardware or cruise control actuator can be far more costly to fix. This type of cruise control repair can frequently cost more than $500, though luxury or foreign-made cars may incur even higher costs.